Most customers don't buy results. They buy relief. So give it in 10 minutes or less. See, that's the rule. The faster that people start feeling progress after buying something, the faster their belief builds and belief compounds. So can your customer feel progress that fast? Let's talk about why that's important and why it matters. See, think about the last time you bought something, a course, a piece of software, or even a service. You hit purchase and then silence. No text, no email, no confirmation, nothing that says, hey, you're moving forward. And in that silence, your excitement really starts to fade. You're not doubting necessarily the product yet. You're doubting your decision. And that delay between pain and feeling progress is the biggest leak in perceived value. Hormozy calls this the time delay driver of the value equation. The longer it takes to feel relief, the longer the perceived value. And people don't actually need the final result right away. They just need to feel that progress is actually happening. So if you can shorten that window from days to even minutes, retention rises because belief rises. See, here's how to engineer day-0 progress using something like HighLevel. That's something that's fully executable. See, in your workflow builder, set your trigger to orders submitted. You want to make sure that allow multiple is turned on. That way it fires even if they buy a bump up or an upsell, and that's important. Now, if you're collecting leads before checkout, you can use the contact created trigger for pre-purchase nurture sequences. But day-0 onboarding should always start on order submitted. From there, you go through the process. Step 1, send a text message. Use the native send SMS action. And you can send something as simple as, hey John, you're in. Here's your day-0 checklist. And then you include a link to a simple checklist. And then you follow that up with a message, start now. Something simple. You're not selling anymore at this point, but you're removing tension. You see, that one text replaces silence with certainty. Then after that, you do a follow-up. You send another email. And here's where it's important. You say something like, you're in. Here's your day-0 win. You thank them for their purchase. You restate the next steps that they need to follow, and you reinforce that progress as it has already begun. That's important. From there, step 3, and that is a checklist delivery. You already sent a link to it, but now what you want to do is do more. You see, inside of sites and membership, what you can do is you can create a short welcome course with 3 quick lessons. A 90-second welcome video, a short onboarding form, and a kickoff call booking link. Each lesson auto tracks progress, giving visible dopamine hits as they complete them. No fake portal bars. Use the real completion tracking that's already built in. Step 4, then you tag for activation. You want to add trigger links or buttons at the end of each single lesson so that when clicked, it applies tags on their contact, something like day-0-vid, form, or even booked. Now, when all 3 tags exist, automatically add activated day-0. So that allows you to be able to track that they completed all those activities. Now, the step 5 is follow-up. If this particular tag of activated day-0 isn't present after 24 hours, send a gentle nudge via text. Something simple like, hey John, just checking in. Did you get a chance to start your day-0 tasks? Here's the link again. And create a task for manual follow-ups. Now, this one workflow touches every key system. Workflows, payments, memberships, emails, and even tags. But what's the result? Instant confirmation, clear direction, and visible movement, all inside the first 10 minutes. Now here's a real world story. One of our clients built this exact day-0 workflow, and before, new buyers often waited a full day before hearing anything. But after launching it, every customer got a text and a checklist within 60 seconds of checkout. The difference was night and day. Anxiety vanished. Show-up rates on kickoff calls jumped up, and cancellations dropped by double-digit margins. all from one change. You see, your goal is to turn silence into momentum. So you don't always need a new offer. You just need a faster feeling of progress. So every minute between purchase and relief erodes perceived value. Your goal is to shorten that delay, and you instantly increase what your customer feels they bought. Belief compounds when the first step feels easy and fast. And if you want your customers to feel progress in the first 10 minutes, I encourage you to build your day. And if you want customers to feel progress in the first 10 minutes, I encourage you to build your Day-0 workflow today. And if you want one that's already kind of ready for you, I encourage you to grab the free 72-hour starter pack that's available in my community. It includes the exact workflow, checklist, and message templates that you can drop straight into your HighLevel account. So join my community, GHL Money Labs, to connect with other agency builders and access proven playbooks like this one. Now, full transparency, if you happen to sign up for HighLevel using my affiliate links, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. But it does help support the channel while giving you the same tools that I use. Now tell me down in the comments, what's one thing you wish you could automate right now to make your customers feel progress faster? I read everyone. Let me know.